Hey, what's going on everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the armorBOX case from Iblason. Both very similar cases. I mean, you probably wouldn't be able to tell which one's which just from looking at them from a distance, but they are sister companies, Iblason and Supcase, and they are both the sponsors of today's video, so huge thanks and shout out to them for that. Now, like I mentioned, these are both very similar cases. It's really gonna come down to personal preference on which one you want, just kind of based off of the looks. Both are going to offer you maximum protection. I mean, when it comes to the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro, I've done drop tests with this case on other devices. Devices always come out looking like new, and the same thing with the Galaxy Z Flip 5. I mean, I could throw this phone around if I wanted to. In this case, it's giving me full outer protection to be able to protect it from drops and falls. It's gonna come out looking like new. And I can say the same exact thing for the armorBOX case right here from Iblason. I've done drop tests on other devices. They always come out looking like new. And the same thing with the Galaxy Z Flip 5. I could throw the phone around in this case right here, and it's still going to come out looking like new, giving you that full outer protection for the Galaxy Z Flip 5. But let's go and take a closer look, starting with the popular Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro. Okay, now when it comes to the Unicorn Beetle Pro here, this is a two-piece case, and when putting it on the device, it's really not that hard. I mean, it snaps on super easy on the front, and then super easy on the back. It fits on this device like a glove, and it is not going to fall off no matter how many times you drop your device. So you don't have to worry about this case falling off if you happen to have kind of a hard fall. But going to the back of this case, it's got a nice, cool, rugged look to it. You'll notice that we do have a kickstand in the back, which you can also use as a pop socket, as you see right here. Just stick one finger in there, and this case will not fall out of your hands. It makes it, you know, helps it to stay in your hand more secure if you decide to use it that way, but it pops in nice and easily back into its place. You'll also notice that we do have a hinge protector, and it does open like this. If you do open up your device and you close it, that hinge protector will stay open, so you want to make sure to close it once you close your device. I mean, it's really not that hard. Just, you can use that index finger to boom like that, and it all closes together. But it is giving that hinge some nice protection when closed and even when open, as you can see right there. Going over to the front, we got maximum protection. We got a built-in screen protector here on the Unicorn Beetle Pro for the Galaxy Z Flip 5, which is going to protect that front display. But not only that, you're getting a nice lift all around that outer display and camera lenses as well. A nice lift all the way around. So if you do happen to, you know, accidentally drop it flat down on a flat surface like this, or just place it down on a flat surface and maybe, you know, slide it around, it's gonna give it enough lift to where it won't scratch up or damage that front display or even the camera lenses as well. Now, if you go all the way around the case from the sides to the top to the bottom, you'll notice that we got kind of like this carbon fiber look to it. In my opinion, I think it looks really cool. It just gives it a nice distinct look all the way around. Like I said, the edges, the top and the bottom. But if we go over to the right side, we do have an opening there for that power button and fingerprint sensor, of course, making it easy to access and use that fingerprint sensor. And then we have the volume rockers as well, which work perfectly. They're nice and clicky, as you can hear there, and they respond very well. So no problems there with those volume rockers. And then going down to the bottom of the case, we do have precise cutouts for the microphones, the charging port, USB Type-C, and also that speaker. And then if I open the case up all the way, we have, I mean, it's not a super deep lift, but it is just enough lift around that inside display to where if you do, you know, decide to place this phone down on a flat surface like this, it should give it just enough lift to where if you accidentally slide it around or something, it will not mess up that inside display. It should give it enough lift to where it will protect it. But overall, I mean, this is kind of a bulky case compared to other super thin cases, but honestly, for a bulky case, it's not really that bulky, if that makes sense, but it definitely feels durable, and it definitely gives you that feeling that you don't really have to worry about your Galaxy Z Flip 5s. It gives you a feeling that, okay, my phone is protected. I don't have to worry about this if I were to accidentally drop it on the ground, or even, you know, throw it up in the air if I wanted just to show off to people how protective my case is. So it's definitely going to provide that maximum protection for your Galaxy Z Flip 5. Wireless charging is compatible with this, as you know, as well as reverse wireless charging as well. And then when it comes to using that front screen protector, it responds well. You're not going to have any problems with any missed touches or anything like that. It's going to respond very well when using that front display. Now, this case also comes with a 360-degree holster, as you can see right here, which you can, you know, clamp onto your pants, your shorts, your shirt, your bag, whether you want to snap it on right here on the straps or somewhere in the back of your bag. This can definitely come in handy for a lot of people. So just a nice added accessory with the Unicorn Beetle Pro here. And then we also get other colors to choose from as well. And if you do find yourself interested in this case right here, I'll make sure to have a link down in the description below so you can keep your Galaxy Z Flip 5 protected with the Unicorn Beetle Pro. But let's go and check out that armorBOX series case. Okay, so moving on to the armorBOX series case. Now, like I mentioned earlier, both cases are very similar looking. The same when it comes to the armorBOX series case. This is a two-piece case. You get a piece that's going to cover the front that does come with that same built-in screen protector, and then you get that piece that goes in the back. In this case as well, fits on this device like a glove. So no matter how many times I open and close it, no matter how many times I drop it, it's not going to fall off of this device. So you can have a peace of mind knowing that your device is going to stay protected in this case, and you don't have to worry about the case falling off. But starting off with the back of this case, you're gonna get a nice rugged look just like what we have with the Supcase, but a bit of a different look. So that's why I said earlier, it's gonna come down to personal preference on which case you want, depending on the looks of it. Because when it comes to protection, I mean, you're gonna get protection no matter what. But looking at the back here, you get a nice, cool, rugged look. You get that carbon fiber finish, kind of on the sides, down to the bottom, up to the other side, kind of like a U shape. Looking really cool on this one as well. You do get that kickstand, which, you know, you can also use as a pop socket like you see here. So you can keep it more secure in your hands if you decide to do so. Pops right back into place. You do also get that hinge protection, which you can open and close, or it will stay open if you do close it. Just remember to close that. So it's gonna protect that hinge when closed or when open like this as well. Then going to the front, still getting that maximum protection with that built-in screen protector, which responds well when using it. You don't have to worry about, you know, any mistouches or anything like that. It's going to respond well when using that front display with this built-in screen protector. And then looking even closer, you're still getting maximum protection because not only are you getting a built-in screen protector, but you're getting a good amount of lift to where that outer display won't even touch any flat surface, and even the camera lenses themselves as well. You're getting a nice lift all the way around. So if I were to accidentally, you know, drop this flat down on a flat surface like that, or just set it down, slide it around, it should protect that front display and those camera lenses as well. Now going around to the sides of the device and even at the bottom, you're actually getting some nice texture here on the sides, both sides, to give you some added grip. So this case will not slip out of your hands. And even on the bottom as well, you're getting a little bit of that texture as well. So if you decide to hold your phone the other way with maybe, you know, your thumb on the bottom or your other fingers on the bottom like this, it should give you a little bit more grip to where this case is not, you know, sliding out of your hands or falling out of your hands. But going over to the side, you do have an opening for that fingerprint sensor, that power button to give you more easy access to use it. And then of course you got the volume rockers as well, which respond great. Nice and clicky as well, as you can see there, respond very well. And then going down to the bottom, you do have precise cutouts for the microphones, the charging port, and the speakers. This case is wireless charging compatible and reverse wireless charging compatible as well. And then when we open up the case, we are getting just a nice lift all around that inside display to protect it if you accidentally, you know, maybe drop it flat down on a flat surface or even just set it down on a flat surface. It should just give you just enough lift to where that display is not touching any flat surface. You can slide this around if you want and you should be okay. But overall, I mean, you're getting maximum protection with this armorBOX series case as well. And they offer other color options as well in case, you know, the metallic blue one right here is not the color for you. They do have other color options to choose from as well. And if you do find yourself interested in the armorBOX series case, I'll make sure to have a link down in the description for that one as well, in case you want to check one out. But overall, I mean, you can't really go wrong with either one of these, to be honest. Both are going to offer you that maximum protection. Like I said, I'll have links for both of these down in the description below. Huge thanks to shout out to Supcase and Iblason for sponsoring this video. Y'all let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. If you were to go with one of these, what would it be? The Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro or the Iblason armorBOX, both for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.